Hey there, fellow explorers. Welcome back to Simplify with Terang, where we simplify the mysteries of the world in the most exciting and simplest ways possible. Today, we're embarking on an exhilarating journey to understand the mesmerizing phenomenon of rain, snow, and hailstorms. But fear not, we'll make it a breeze to understand. Before we go into the details, let's get an overview of what's coming. First, we'll check out evaporation, then condensation, and finally, precipitation. We'll explore these cool processes with realistic animations, making it super easy to follow along. Alright, let's break it down further with more details. Here comes the evaporation. It all begins with the radiant warmth of the sun, casting its golden rays upon the earth. This warmth triggers the enchanting process of evaporation, where liquid water from oceans, lakes, and rivers transforms into a delicate mist known as water vapor, rising gracefully into the atmosphere. And now here comes the condensation. As this warm, moist air rises to higher altitudes, it encounters cooler temperatures, causing the water vapor molecules to slow down and gather together. This beautiful dance of condensation sees the vapor transforming back into tiny liquid water droplets, which cling to microscopic particles in the air, giving birth to the ethereal formations we call clouds. Moving on to coalescence. Inside these magnificent clouds, a symphony of coalescence unfolds. The tiny water droplets, suspended in the air, collide and merge, growing in size with each encounter. Like a grand orchestra building to a crescendo, these droplets come together, forming larger and heavier entities that are ready to make their descent back to Earth. And now the grand finale begins, the precipitation. As these droplets grow heavy enough, they succumb to the irresistible pull of gravity, making their journey back to the Earth's surface. When it comes to different types of precipitation, like rain, snow, and hail, it all depends on what's happening in the atmosphere, especially with temperature. Rain is what we typically see when it's not too cold outside, where the air is warmer above the freezing point, which is above 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So when water droplets fall from the clouds, they don't freeze, they just come down as rain. Snow, on the other hand, happens when it's really cold, when the air is at or below freezing, which is 0 degrees Celsius. Water vapor in the sky turns directly into tiny ice crystals. These ice crystals join together and form snowflakes. So, instead of melting like with rain, they stay frozen and fall to the ground as snow. But the hail is kind of different. It happens during thunderstorms when things get really intense up there in the clouds. Strong winds blowing upward inside the storm clouds. These winds carry raindrops up to super cold parts of the atmosphere where the temperature is in minus. Raindrops freeze into tiny ice pellets. Then, as they're tossed around inside the storm cloud, they collect more layers of ice. Eventually, they get so heavy that they fall to the ground as hailstones. So, hailstones are like these big ice balls that form inside thunderstorms and fall down when they get too heavy. So, whether we get rain, snow, or hail depends on what's going on with the temperature and conditions up in the sky. And there we have it, folks. The captivating saga of rain, snow, and hailstorms simplified before our eyes. From the humble beginnings of evaporation to the magnificent spectacle of precipitation, nature's ballet never fails to leave us in awe. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating and simplest explorations. Until next time, take care and keep exploring.